Saffron is a spice that is derived from the flower of the saffron crocus, and it is widely considered to be one of the most expensive spices in the world. With prices often reaching upwards of $1,000 per pound, saffron is considered to be significantly more expensive than precious metals like silver. There are a number of factors that contribute to the high cost of saffron. Perhaps the most significant of these is the labor-intensive nature of the saffron harvesting process. The saffron crocus can only be harvested during a very brief period each year, typically lasting just a few weeks. The process of harvesting saffron involves carefully handpicking the delicate stigmas of the saffron flower, which can be a time-consuming and labor-intensive task. Additionally, the saffron crocus is difficult to grow and has to be grown in specific conditions, mainly in areas with well-draining soil and mild climates with low rainfall. This makes saffron production limited to specific regions around the world, like Iran, Spain, Italy, and Greece. Another reason for saffron's high cost is its scarcity. The saffron crocus produces only a small number of flowers, which means that relatively small amounts of saffron can be obtained from each harvest. This scarcity, combined with the labor-intensive nature of the harvesting process, drives up the price of the final product. Despite the high cost, saffron is considered a highly sought-after spice due to its distinct complex flavor and aroma. The intense taste and bright yellow-orange color make it a popular ingredient in a wide variety of dishes, from traditional Middle Eastern and Mediterranean dishes to rice dishes and seafood. Saffron is used in many cuisines as a flavoring agent, as well as in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments, like anxiety, depression, insomnia, and other nervous system disorders. Furthermore, saffron is used as a food colorant and is known as the most expensive food color in the world. Due to its natural color and being so rare and precious, therefore it's often being used in high-end culinary creations, or in some culinary competition, making it even more sought after. In conclusion, saffron's high price is primarily the result of its labor-intensive harvesting process, its limited growing areas, and its scarcity. Despite this, the unique flavor and versatility of saffron make it a highly sought-after spice among gourmet chefs and food enthusiasts.